Finally, after weeks of bated breath, President Cyril Ramaphosa has officially announced his new cabinet.
Don't treat me like a boy. Don't address me like a boy.
Has officially announced his new cabinet. And I must say, this cabinet is the Cabinet of National Unity, comprising of ministers from 6 parties within the Government of National Unity. The ANC with 22 positions, followed by the DA with 6, then the IFP with 2, and finally the Patriotic Alliance, the Freedom Front Plus, and the Good Hope Party, each with 1 position.
South Africa. The DA will act with maturity, with a cool head, and always put the country first. We will do what we can to protect South Africa from the terrible consequences of radical policy.
In the ANC, as usual, it was old faces in new places. Still, Deputy President of the Republic, Paul Mashatile, Angie Motshekga, is now Minister of Defense. I must say, I don't see the correlation between Minister of Defense and former Minister of Basic Education, unless you are educating people in how to defend themselves. Other than that, there's no correlation. Blade Nzimande is now Minister of Science and Technology. At least there's a relationship between a Minister of Higher Education and a Minister of Science and Technology. And unfortunately, former Minister of Foreign Relations, Naledi Pandor, didn't have any positions. President Cyril Ramaphosa seems not to have given in to the demands of the DA, which were officially 11 parliament seats. He gave them basic education, led by Siviwe Gamarube. John Steenhuisen is the Minister of Agriculture, and the Minister of Home Affairs is taken by Leon Schreiber. This position was initially wanted by Mr. Mackenzie. In the Patriotic Alliance, Mr. Mackenzie is Minister of Sports and Arts. The racist Freedom Front got Minister of Correctional Services. And you know what that means. It means more white racists will be pardoned and released on parole. The Patriotic Alliance got Minister of Land Reform. Hopefully, the so-called Pan-Africanists can do justice to the people they claim.
We are very proud of you.
Other than that, President Cyril Ramaphosa has done an exceptional job in delegating these positions to the parties. The only thing that is left is that we hope that these parties successfully carry out their mandate. But then again, who knows?
Shooting shots and they miss, they can never handle this. Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? I'm